Imagine owning a piece of digital art, a virtual world, or even a tweet. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, have made this possible. They are revolutionizing how we perceive and interact with digital assets, introducing the concept of digital scarcity. NFTs are transforming the art world, creating new avenues for artists to connect with their audiences and monetize their work. This innovation has sparked a digital gold rush, attracting artists, collectors, and investors alike. NFTs stand for non-fungible tokens. Non-fungible means unique and irreplaceable. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, each NFT is distinct and cannot be exchanged on a one-to-one basis. NFTs exist on blockchains, ensuring authenticity and traceability. Think of NFTs as digital certificates of ownership. They can represent various digital assets, including art, music, and videos. The NFT market has witnessed astronomical sales, capturing global attention. One of the most famous examples is Beeple's Everydays, sold for $69.3 million at Christie's. Another notable sale was CryptoPunk Hash 7523, fetching $11.75 million at Sotheby's. These sales highlight the growing interest and investment in NFTs, transforming digital assets into valuable collectibles. NFTs are empowering artists in unprecedented ways, enabling them to connect directly with their audience and retain control over their work. Through NFTs, artists can sell their digital creations without intermediaries, receiving a larger share of the profits. This innovative feature ensures that artists continue to benefit from the increasing value of their work. The emergence of NFT marketplaces has made it easier than ever for artists to showcase and sell their creations. NFTs have become a cultural phenomenon, sparking conversations about art, technology, and the future of ownership. They have captured the imagination of a new generation of collectors and investors. NFTs have also challenged traditional notions of what constitutes art and value. The rise of digital art and the astronomical prices fetched by NFTs have sparked debates about the nature of creativity. Artists are now exploring new mediums and pushing the boundaries of what can be considered art. Pause 2S. Beyond the art world, NFTs hold transformative potential across a myriad of industries. In gaming, NFTs can revolutionize in-game assets, providing players with true ownership and the ability to trade items freely. Pause 2S. The fashion industry is also exploring NFTs, using them to authenticate luxury goods and combat counterfeiting. Pause 2S. As we look to the future, the potential applications of NFTs are boundless. Pause 2S. NFTs are more than just a fleeting trend. They represent a new era of ownership, offering unique opportunities for artists and collectors. From record-breaking sales to transforming markets, the impact of NFTs is profound. NFTs can revolutionize gaming and streamline real estate transactions. These innovations are just the beginning, with the potential to reshape industries across the board. Pause 1S. As we delve deeper into the world of NFTs, it's crucial to address their environmental impact. NFTs often rely on energy-intensive blockchain technology, raising sustainability concerns. Eco-friendly blockchains like Tezos and Flow offer greener options. By balancing innovation with ecological mindfulness, the future of NFTs can be both exciting and environmentally responsible. Pause 2S. As we look ahead, the potential of NFTs stretches far beyond their current applications. Imagine a world where NFTs revolutionize various industries, unlocking unprecedented opportunities and transforming the way we interact with digital and physical realms. Pause 5S. The journey of NFTs is just beginning, and their potential is immense. Pause 2S. In the gaming industry, NFTs are set to redefine the concept of in-game assets. Gamers could truly own their digital items, from unique skins and weapons to virtual real estate within games. Pause 5S. These assets could be traded, sold, or even transferred between different games, creating a dynamic and player-driven economy. Pause 2S. The real estate market is also on the brink of a digital transformation. NFTs could represent ownership of physical properties, allowing for seamless transactions and transparent records. Pause 5S. Imagine being able to buy, sell, or lease real estate with just a few clicks, reducing the need for intermediaries and making property investment more accessible to a global audience. Pause 2S. Virtual reality, VR, stands to gain immensely from NFTs as well. As VR technology advances, NFTs could represent unique experiences, exclusive content, and personal avatars. Pause 5S. Users could own and trade virtual experiences, from attending concerts and sports events to exploring digital art galleries and educational environments. Pause 2S. The possibilities are endless, and the future of NFTs in these industries is limited only by our imagination. As we continue to explore and innovate, NFTs will play a pivotal role in shaping the digital landscapes of tomorrow. Pause 5S. The journey of NFTs is just beginning, and their potential is immense.